Hello mga mas! Sila nga palang gustong bumati sa birthday girl natin. Kita nyo naman, hugis bigas, kaya love na love ng ninong ko.
Happy birthday, Ninang Kai. Take care always. Hi.
Hi, Mami Kai. Happy birthday to us. I love you. I miss you. Take care always.
Happy birthday, Tita Kai. I love you.
2, 3.
Happy
birthday, Mami Kai! Oh, what will you say?
I love you and I miss you.
Sayon, say I miss you.
Birthday, Mami Kai.
Happy birthday, Mama Kai. I love you. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Kat. Meron po ako papakanta sa iyo. Saglit lang po.
Birthday, Mami.
はい。マミカイ誕生日おめでとう。いつも気をつけてね。幸せ。マミカイハッピーバースデーでいいから。口がちっちゃいよ。どうしたの？早くして。Happy birthday, Tekay. Ingat palagi. Ang tiyan di hamak. Ang natanong una kami. Siya na ayaw ko siya. Happy birthday, Mami Kai. Siya chichak na natin yun. Naiya siya, te. Ingat kayo palagi ni Nuno. Bye-bye. Love you.
Oh, look dito sa camera. And what did you say to Mami Kai?
Happy birthday, Mami Kai.
Happy birthday, Mami. We love you.
We love you. I miss you. God bless.
To Colleen and Kaylee's mom. Happy birthday, Tita Kai. I love you. Happy birthday, Mommy Kai. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday, Mommy Kai. I miss you. I love you. Happy birthday, Mommy Kai. I love you. I miss you.
Birthday, Tita Kai. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Kai. We love you and we miss you. And also, thank you for making our birthday cakes before. I wish you a happy birthday and we love you.
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kai. Happy birthday, Ate Kai. God bless.
Happy birthday Kai! Enjoy your day to the fullest. I miss you.
Hello, Kai. Happy birthday. Alles Gute zu Geburtstag, meine liebe Schwester. Ayan, greetings from Hamburg, Germany. Ayan, oh. Yeah, I know it's your birthday today. And I wish you all the best. I wish you to have more fruitful birthdays to come. Stay forever healthy, beautiful, and of course, overflowing with money. Oo, yan ang wala kami niyan, Neng. Dito lahat ng kita namin napupunta lang sa tax. But anyway, that is for security reasons naman. Oo, namimiss ko talaga dyan. Dahil sa laki ng kita dyan, dito wala yan. Maganda lang tignan pero walang sinabi ang sahod natin dyan. Kaya enjoy life in UAE. And regards to everybody out there, to the rest of Cornish family, to baby Pauline, and of course to Daddy Dex. Yeah, so happy birthday, Neng. Enjoy the day. And thank you for the invitation. Anyway, siguro next time makakapunta din ako. Or next year maybe, kayo naman ang pumunta rito. You're always welcome. Okay, bye-bye. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Marikoy. I wish you have a great day and the most happiest birthday today. I wish you lots of blessings, good health, and a successful, a more successful career in the future. Today, just enjoy and God bless. Miss you.
Happiest birthday, Kai! Sayang lang talaga na wala kami dyan para makiselebrate sa birthday mo. But please know that we are always here for you and wishing you all the best. Sana magtagumpay kayo ni Kosang Dex doon sa mga future plans nyo. At more camping, more fishing, more food trip soon. Pagbalik namin dyan. Nakakatuwa na dati yung mama mo, yung barkada ko dito sa Cavite. Pero pagdating naman dyan sa Abu Dhabi, kayo ni Dex yung naging family namin. Sa lahat ng inconveniences na pinagdaanan natin, nakabuild tayo ng isang deeper friendship. Kaya we are happy na nakilala namin kayo ni Dex at naging family dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Happy birthday ulit and love you! Bye-bye!
Hi, Kati! Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Full birthday.
And of course, we wish you good health always and happiness with your Colleen and Kai and of course Kuya Tex. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday! See you
Love
next
you.
time!
Love you, mama.
Love you! Bye!
Sky, happy birthday! Thank you for being my new friend. Ang dami niyo pa doon, pero ito lang natitira. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Kai! Happy birthday! Wishing you happiness and good health, of course. More blessings, more temu, more kashika, more shain, and more mine. Enjoy your day! God bless! Love you! Mwah!
Hi Bea, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo sana maging masaya ka pa sa feeling ng ninong ko. At sana huwag kang magbago. At nandiyan ka lang palagi para sa amin. At kami rin, nandito rin kami para sa'yo. Happy birthday Bea.
Hi Bea, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is good health at more blessings para mas marami ka pang mind. I love you so much. Tandaan mo na nandito lang ako para pasayahin ka at samahan ka sa lahat ng trip mo. I love you. Alam ko naman na sobra kang blessed sa piling ng ninong ko. At syempre sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. I love you, and more blessings to come. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Okay, Mami Kai. Ano to? Greet na. Anong greet na? Greet na rin na. Hello. Hello na tuloy na. Ano sabihin? Ano sabihin daw? Ano sabihin? Huh? Huh? Happy birthday! From Cooper. Dali na. Happy birthday daw. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Dali na. Happy birthday, Bella!
Hi, Kati! Hindi na umalis man ako, hindi tayo nagkita. Sana nagkita tayo nung nasa Dubai ako. Happy birthday! Sana maganda ang katawan mo. At naway ay maging successful ka pa. Na yung pangarap mo mararating. Happy birthday uli! Hi! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate! Good morning! I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I thank the Lord for having you as my big sister. I'm grateful sa Panginoon dahil ginamit ka niya para dalhin ako dito sa UAE. And I will be forever grateful because kahit ano man ang mangyari, I know that both of us will always have a special relationship kahit hindi tayo masyadong nagkikita. But I thank the Lord because of you, dahil talagang blessing ka sa akin at saka kay Donick. And now, I just want to say na let the Lord bless you, shine upon you, ano man ang mga endeavors mo sa buhay. I just pray for the Lord wisdom, guidance, and protection. And even I pray, ate, na you will always be happy kahit ano man ang ginagawa mo. Always have a thankful heart. And I also pray na more blessings, long life for both of you ni Kuya Dex. And I pray na you will be successful sa lahat ng mga gagawin mo. Maraming salamat sa iyo, ate. I love you. Bye-bye.
Kakantaan sana kita kay kaso baka masira ang video ni Chingkay. Nakakahiya pa marinig nila, no? Pero hayaan mo na sila na lang kumanta sa'yo. Kasi hindi maganda boses ko ngayon eh. Happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang handaan, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y malasing mo sila.
Happy birthday, Nak! 45 years old ka na pala. Still maganda pa rin ang mukha. Alam mo, Nini, kahit asot pusa tayo, love na love pa rin kita. Di ba? Siyempre, ang talagang ano natin, magmahalan tayo dahil tayo na lang magmama. With Colleen and Kylie. Happy birthday, anak! At I know na lagi kang masaya sa piling ni Dex, sa mga kaibigan mo. At naway, bigyan ka pa ng kalusugan ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Tingnan mo, Nini, ang view namin, no? Nasa pool. O, si Nini, happy birthday! I pray for long and satisfying life sa buhay mo. Mahal ka namin ang mga kapatid mo, mga pamangkin mong very cute. We love you, anak. I love you so much. Mwah, chup chup. Bye!
Happy birthday, sweetheart. I love you. I love you always. Kami ni Colleen, ni Kylie, at syempre ni Andre. Love na love ka namin. Happy 45th birthday sa iyo. I always love you. Alam mo naman yun. And ano pa ba? Wala na akong masabi kasi araw-araw ko naman sinasabi sa iyo, I always love you. I love you. Enjoy your birthday. We will celebrate your birthday until the end of this month, July. I love you.